All of you say hi. Hi. How are you all? Are you doing well? I hope you are all doing well. How are you all? Say, I'm fine, thank you. How are you all? I'm fine, thank you. Then, today we are going to study a beautiful subject that is called English. Which subject? English. All of you say English. Which subject we are going to study today? English. Say loudly. English. So, in our family there are many members, isn't it? How many members are there in your home? Father, mother, sister, brother. Isn't it? And our grandparents too, isn't it? So, in English, there are some members in the family. They are called letters. What? Letters. All of you say letters. Once again say letters. Do you know what is letters? Letters. We used to write, did you see your elders or father, mother take a paper and writing with a pen on the paper? Yes, they are writing letters. So, today onwards, we are going to study the English letters. What you are going to study? English letters. So, these English letters have a name. Do you have a name? Do you have a name? Say your names. Once again, say your names. Very good. So, like this, our English letters have a name that is called alphabet. What we call? Alphabet. Once again, say alphabet. Once again, say alphabet. So, today, we are going to learn the English alphabet. So, do you know how many members in English alphabet? Do you know? All of you look here. I have one gift for you. A thing. Did you see? Did you see? See? Did you understand what is this? Did you understand? Many colors are there, isn't it? Which colors are there? Which color is this? Green, then yellow, then blue, then red, then again red. Which color is this? Say it. Orange. Very good. Then this is called English alphabet. What is this? English alphabet. All of you say English alphabet. So, did you see these are the members of English alphabet? How many is there? Can you count it? Can you count it? How many is there? Count with me, okay? Starting number what? Which number? 1. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. So how many letters is there? 26. All of you say 26. Say how many letters in English alphabet? 26. All of you say 26. So, today onwards, you are going to study these 26 letters. How many letters? 26 letters. So, today we are going to study only 2 letters. So, first letter, which color is this? Which color is this? Green. Which color? Green. This green color letter called A. All of you say with me. A. Again, once again, which letter is this green color? A. Again say A. Once again say A. Shall I take this A to the out of the board and I'll show you what is the shape of this letter. Okay. See kids? Did you see? In my hand, one letter is there. Which letter is this? A. Which letter? A. See? A. Did you see which color is this? Green color, isn't it? So in my hand, one green color letter is there. First letter of English alphabet. What is this? First letter of English alphabet. Which is this letter? A. Say with me. A. Letter A. Say with me. Letter A. Do you know which words with us starting with A? Do you know? Say all of you say some fruits name to me. Say some fruits name to me. Orange. Okay. Then apple. Very good. Then grapes. Wow. Then mango. So in these fruits, one fruit is my favorite. Do you have any favorite fruit? Very good. I have a favorite fruit. Which is this? Do you know? That is apple. Which fruit? Apple. Do you know apple? What color is an apple? Red. What color? Red. And there is green apple too. Do you know that? Green apple is there, isn't it? So how many colors are there? Green and red apple. So apple is my favorite fruit. Do you see which letter is this? A. I'll show you one picture. What is this? All of you say, what is this? Apple. What is this? Apple. Do you see? Did you see? Starting letter. Which letter is this? A. Which letter? A. So A for apple. All of you say A for apple. Once again say A for apple. So did you see the letter A? See? Shall we write? Shall we learn to write the letter A? All of you take your paper and pencil with you. Firstly, take your pencil and paper with you. Are you ready? Are you ready? Say I am ready. I am ready. Okay. So, look at the board. Apple. What is this? Apple. Starting letter what? Starting letter what? A. Letter A. Which letter is this? A. So, now we are going to study how to write A. Are you ready? Are you ready with your book and pencil? So come on, we will write A. So start here to up. Put a line like this. Finished. Okay? From down to up. How? From down to up. Draw a line. Finished. Then from up to down. How? From up to down. Finish. Did you see the shape? Did you see the shape? Letter A. How? This like shape. Did you see? This line. Not finished. One more line is there. Did you see? One single line is there. One small line is there. So from center to there. A small line. How? From here to this line, a small line. Which letter is this then? Letter A. Letter A. First letter of English alphabet. What is this? First letter of English alphabet. Letter A. And A for apple. A for apple. Did you study how to write A? Once again study, okay? How? Write with me, okay? From here to up. One line. Finished. From here to up. One line finished. Then from here to down. Another line. From where? Here to down. Then one small line is there. Where? The stomach of this letter. Where? Here. A small line. So which letter is this? Letter A. Which letter is this? Letter A. Then A for what? Apple. A for what? Apple. So apple, first letter what? A. First letter what? A. Then once again say, which letter is this? A. Say after me. A. Once again say A. So do you understand the letter A? Do you understand the letter A? So final time, write with me, okay? How to write? How to write? One line to up. Then from there, one line to down. And a small line at the stomach of this letter. How? This line. So what we call A. Which letter? A. Letter A. Repeat after me. All of you say, which letter is this? A. Once again say A. So the first member of English alphabet is letter A. Number one. Number one, which letter? Letter A. So how many members were there? We have counted it, isn't it? How many? 26. How many letters is there? 26. Only one letter we finished. Only one letter. So this is first letter. This is first letter A. Now we are going to study the second letter. The second member. Do you see the yellow color? Do you see which color? yellow. So you are going to study this yellow color letter. Second letter, number 2. This is called B. What is this color name? B. Which letter? B. Say with me. B. All of you say with me. B. All of you say B. I'll show you. How like this? Do you like this? Do you like the color? Which color is this? B. Which color in B? Yellow. Which color? Yellow. So this letter called B. This letter name is B. What is this? B. All of you say B. Once again say B. So I'll show you one thing. You have to say what is this. All of you say, I'm going to show one thing. What is this? What is this? Ball. What is this? Ball. What is this? Ball. All of you say ball. Do you have a ball with you? All of you? Yes, you will play with the ball, isn't it? So, did you see the ball is writing with the starting letter is who? B, our B. B is for ball. B for ball. Which letter is this? B. All of you say with me. B. B for ball. B for ball. So first we have studied how to write A, isn't it? All of you understand? Says very good. So now we are going to study how to write this B. How to write this B. So follow me. Look at the board. Look at the ball. What is this? Ball. So we are going to study which letter? B. B for ball. All of you say B for ball. Very good. Now let us study how to write this B. All of you ready with your book and pencil? I'm waiting. Very good. Shall we write? Look at the board. Look thoroughly. Put a 1. How? Simply one line. Okay. Then there is 2 stomach is there for B letter. Okay. First stomach. Then second stomach. How many stomach? 2 is there. How? 1 is like this. Okay, first stomach, then the second one. Do you understand? Do you understand? Once again, look at the board. Put one single line or 1. Then first one stomach B. Put finished. Then second one like this. Understand? Understand? Which letter is this? B. All of you say B. Which letter is this? B. Second letter of English alphabet. Second letter of English alphabet. Who is that? B. Who is that? B. Once again look at the board. How to write this B? Put a line, then one stomach, then second stomach, Understand? Once again. Line, then one round, then second round. Be finished. Which letter is this? B. All of you say B. And B for ball. B for ball. Then, which letter is this? Second letter of English alphabet. Say after me. Second letter of English alphabet. Who is that? B. Who is the B? So, today's class we have studied 2 members of English alphabet. Who is going to say the first member name? Who is going to say it? Who is the first member of English alphabet? A. Which letter? A. All of you say A. Then in my heart, second letter is there. All of you say which is the second letter. A after which letter? It is B. Which letter? B. First letter A. Then second letter B. All of you understand? I hope you all understand. Today we have studied the English alphabet's first 2 letters. The first letter is A. All of you say A. Then second letter B. All of you say B. A. B. Once again say with me. A. B. One more time. A, B. So I hope you all understand. All of you take a book and pencil and draw and study to home. A and B. A, B. Okay? Thank you, my dear kids. Count with me. Okay?